right, so I've got some more fondant rolled out, more shortening. I'm gonna get the piece from the freezer. Okay, so I've got the shortening on there, and I will wrap it up. So just kind of cut it there. Bring it over for now. Bring this down. Just gonna kind of bring that down. Bring this in. And cut some of it because it'll just kind of get gross with all the water and the dry ice in there. Okay, I'm gonna trim this. Okay, then to attach it, I can't put a skewer down this way, so I'm gonna have to do the opposite way. So let's see, there's a cake board right about there. Yeah, and I'll make another one. So see how I wanted it to go, the skewered part, the pointed part, I should say. Okay, and I make sure it's even this way and this way. Okay, and then we can do a little detail. And then we'll do a quarter around the bottom to secure it. Cut it at an angle. And I think we'll do this one like this. I just need to add detail over here. So I'm going to make that my line. Add another one. And voila. Okay, and then I need one, a kind of a thicker band around the top. This one I'm just going to make a little more on the flat side. Pizza cutter, maybe about ½ inch wide. Okay, we're gonna do just kind of a couple little extra exhaust type things coming out, different heights. So, shortening on the stick like this. Okay, do one at a time, just kind of roll it, place the stick inside. Yeah, someone's losing it. And then roll from the center out. Okay, and then we'll cut some of this off because some of it has to go into the cake. And we'll just kind of have these things sticking out from wherever. Ooh. Strong cake there. Still very cold, I guess. So take a tiny bit off the top, and you'll see why in a second. So I just want to do almost like a little kind of funnel type thing. So I'm going to take a ball, get more into a teardrop like that, press down on the top, and then the bottom, you need to kind of open that up, push in, open up, little water, squeeze a bit at the base, and squeeze, kind of pinch this up a little. Okay,